Standard specs. So as far as standard specs, are they design build ready? Just like we went through for federal highways. And again, some of this is repetitive. I'm sorry, I'm a sports guy. Practice, practice, practice. The goal is perfection. There is no perfection. That's what I say every time I go out to the beer halls. So keep that in mind. So do your specs say should, may, shall? Sounds like the maybe in there is something for you to consider. Do the specs need to be more direct to work activity being pursued? Again, like Will just mentioned, try to recognize that if you're in the different regions, you may want to check to see what they're doing, and or just so you know, as you may go to other states to see what they're doing, it doesn't hurt to ask them why they created that spec, how's it working for them, and maybe how that evolved over the years, and what are some of the legal challenges maybe that spec has had associated with claims or change orders, et cetera. And again, just like on the federal highway side, if you want it, put it into the contract. Okay, so that's as far as what I have for specs.